How to create a second Instagram account without anyone knowing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a second Instagram account without anyone knowing. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your current Instagram account, and then from here you're just going to have to create a new account. And in order to do that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom, long press on it, and then you're going to have to click on add account. So once you click on add account, you're going to have to tap on create a new account, and the first thing you do is create a username. And while you choose a username, make sure that it is not connected or not similar to your previous account's username, and make sure that this is unique. I'm just going to add on my pre-existing username to show you guys that it is not there, but if you add a bunch of letters, then you should be able to do it. So it's saying me to wait a few minutes before I try again, so I'm just gonna wait for here a bit. And the main thing that you need to know is you have to choose a unique username, and it is not connected to any of your previous accounts. And once you have done that, you can just head over to your profile right here at the bottom right corner, and then from here you could just go ahead and make your profile private. Doing so will not allow any public eye to see your account, so make sure that your account privacy is set to private, and then you're good to go. If you found the tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.